All right. What is the minimum time? So we're being asked for the time. 746 watt motor. Okay, so watts is power. Right? That's basically 1 horsepower, by the way. Okay, can lift a 2,130 kilogram Land Rover. Land Rover, that's a kilograms. 3.20 meters. All right, let's see. Okay, and we also know that we're lifting, right? So we're not dragging. We're not going to use that formula. It's going to be this one, and this one, right? We just have to figure out what order they are. Okay, let's see. Can I do this one? I don't think I can because I don't know work and I don't know force. Can I do this one? I don't think so because I don't know work and I also don't know time. So it must be that we have to be able to do this one. If we can't do this one, game over. Okay, so let's see. Force of gravity is mass times g. We always know g and we know the mass, so we're good. So force is m times g. So that's 2130 times 9.8. So 2130 times 9.8 is 220,874. And that's newtons of force. Okay. That's why we need a winch and gears and stuff. That's a lot of force. All right. So, and we just used that formula, so we're not going to use it again. So now let's just go back. Can we do this guy? I think we can, right? Because we have force and distance, so we can find the work. Work is force times distance, so that is the number we just calculated, right? So 20,874 times, what's our distance? 3.2. All right. So literally that number is on my calculator. All I do is I hit the times button and then 3.2. And the work is 66,796.8 joules. The joules. Shall we calculate the joules? Okay, we're not done yet. Let's see. I think we just used this formula. So now it's this guy, right? Power is work divided by time. We're solving for time, right? So that's work divided by power. Time equals work divided by power. And the work is, that makes sense, right? It's the how much you have to do divided by the rate at which you're doing it. Divided by power is 746. Okay, so that's joules. This is joules per second, really. A watt is a joule per second, right? So notice that if we divide joules by joules per second, we'll end up with seconds. So this number is already on my calculator. I'm literally going to go divided by 746, enter. And I get that it only takes 89.5399 seconds. 89.5 seconds. Ta-da! That's kind of awesome, isn't it? That's pretty fast. That's like a minute and a half. But this is, a 1 horsepower winch. That's a pretty powerful winch. I bet most of them aren't that powerful. That'd be a big motor. That's a heavy motor. All right.